Hello, hello. It is Christine Michelle, and I am here to help energy shift and lift your vibration because I am the energy shifter and the vibe lifter. So, today we are going to talk about really letting go of insecurities. I have an 8-step formula that's going to help you let go of the insecurities that you have because we all have them. I recently wrote a blog, and the link to the blog will be in the notes. And it was about, I was watching Total Divas. If anybody watches Total Divas, hashtag Total Divas. And it was a while ago. It was an episode where Natalia, she is a wrestler and she is from a wrestling dynasty. And she hadn't won this specific championship, and her insecurity was her promotions, her speaking, like how she was acting and all of that. And another wrestler who was pretty not as experienced as Natalia, her name is Lana, she kind of went at her, right? She went at that specific insecurity. And so Natalia was really like second guessing herself. And from this second guessing, she was like, am I good enough? Am I this? Am I that? You really can like tap in and realize that all of us do the same thing. So when I was looking at Natalia and looking at what she did, I was really looking at like how she overcame this specific insecurity. So like the blog was just titled Champions Have Insecurities Too. I take you through her process and what she did to really overcome those insecurities, and she ended up winning that championship. But the first thing is to remember that when you get triggered, when someone comes to you and points out the exact thing that you're insecure about, it really isn't the person. Don't be pissed at the person. Reflect within. Allow that to be a gift and an awareness to say, oh, I'm still harboring or holding or aligning with some of this statement, whatever it's bringing up, whatever I'm pissed about. There's something in me that is aligning with it. There's something in me that still thinks that I'm not good enough at this or I'm not good enough at that. So yes, thank you, crazy person that just acted crazy. So I'm going to get out of your energy, but let me tap into what's going on inside of me. So the first key with truly getting through your insecurities, how to get over some of these insecurities is awareness, right? Awareness, being aware of the situation, because a lot of times we don't allow ourselves to be aware. We're sitting in la la land. We're sitting in, oh, I'm fine. I'm so insecure. So secure. I'm the most confident woman in the world. But then constantly people are showing you things that you're not allowing to yourself to open these gifts, unwrap these gifts, and shift. So 1 is awareness about whatever is going on. 2 is a decision. Make the decision. Decide that you don't like the way this feels, and you're going to choose to do something about it, to allow yourself to do something about it. You now get to do something about it, right? And then number 3, listen to guidance, right? Listen to your inner wisdom. When it came down to it, you know that your soul is leading you and guiding you to do in this direction. So if someone comes to you and says, you can't do this, and you know that doing this is going to, is a critical part in you becoming who or what or doing or being, whatever that is, then say, okay, yeah, whatever. I know my guidance. I know my soul is leading me to do and be this. So I know that I can, right? So when you listen to guidance and you're like, no, I'm not gonna do that. Like, whatever. And then get help. So what Natty did, she vocal, like, okay, she wasn't opening her mouth. She wasn't really expressing herself. She wasn't bringing her acting game. She went and found a coach who could help her get there quickly. She didn't try to do it on her own, or she did for a little bit, but it wasn't getting her there. So she hired a coach. She hired someone who would help her step into that really quickly and be the woman that was already inside. Tap into who was already inside of her. So then, but she took action. A lot of people, they get the coaches, they do all the things, and they're like, it didn't work because they never took the action. They never listened to the guidance and then took the action. It's really up to you to receive the guidance and then take the action forward. Take the steps forward. Okay? And then you got to let go and allow. So for her, letting go and allow was allowing her to scream and like raise her voice and just really like be and allow it to flow through her. For you, it could be just really letting go and, okay, I'm insecure and I don't want to do this live stream, or I'm insecure and I don't want to go talk to this guy, or I'm insecure and I don't want to do, just letting go and allowing yourself to be, do it now, right? And then number 7 is realizing the truth. Realizing the truth. You are so talented. You are perfect exactly at that. Everything that you desire to do is inside of you and is already available to you. It's available to you now because it is a part of you. So realizing the truth, realizing what God, guidance, source, universe is telling you, realizing that, and realizing that that is the truth, not this insecurity, not this thing that is causing you to second guess yourself, is not the truth. Realizing what the true truth is what the next step is. And then finally, choice. It is your choice. Choose to become more confident. Make the choice like, I know the truth. I know who I am. And I know that I am about to allow this. I am going to allow myself to be the confident woman that I am. I'm going to allow myself to feel the way I am. I'm going to allow it. I'm choosing it. It is me. I'm allowing it. I'm going to be it. I'm being it now. Okay? So those are the 8. Rewind the video so that you can listen to the 8, or check out the blog that I wrote because all 8 are in the blog. But definitely, where have I allowed this? When I was watching that, I was like, wow. At that time, I was so nervous to be on camera or to take pictures or to do all the things, right, that was necessary for me to step into the woman who I am. And I was realizing that I was allowing these insecurities, this not feeling good, not being skinny enough, all of those things really to stop me from showing up and shining and being the woman who could help, who helps you step into who you are, who helps you be who you are, and really stopping me from using my gift, my gift of really lifting, teaching, all of those things. I was stopping myself because of an insecurity. And so I use this journal prompt. This journal prompt, I'm going to read it to you. It says, what are you doing that if you were completely confident in yourself and your abilities, like what are you not doing? What are you not doing that if you were completely confident in yourself and your abilities, you would be doing more of? And for me, that was more video. It was more, content. And so I decided to step out and just really truly say, oh, you know what? I'm going to do the video. Even if I don't like it, even if I don't think it's perfect. If you want to, see the video on perfection, you can check out that perfection video. But even I don't care. I'm just going to do it and continue to do it. And it became second nature. It became easy to hit record on these videos and truly step into who I truly was. So below, I want you to share what you wrote. Do this journal prompt and then share it. What are you doing? What's the first thing that you think of? What are you doing that if you not doing? What are you not doing that if you were completely confident in yourself and really confident in your abilities, confident that guidance is flowing through you, that you would be doing more of? And then after you write it, after you see it, after you do it. Take the steps and do it. Take the action and just do it. Don't make it perfect, just do it. And you're going to see that the more you just step into it, you're going to be like, I couldn't remember a time where I didn't love to press record and love to do these videos and love to share and help and raise vibrations and shift energy and just be the woo-woo do person that I've always been, right? So that is it for today's video. And I am just so happy to help you be the person who is really stepping into who you are, really connecting to your guidance. So if you get to a point where you're like, oh wow, I know that I'm this person and I know that I'm ready to step into it, but I need help, right? You're like Natty, you need a coach who's gonna help you get there. Definitely check out my site, check out my Work With Me page, and look for ways to work with me if you so feel aligned, because I would look forward to helping you stepping into the person that you truly are, connecting you to your guidance and helping you up level quickly, helping you shift and become exactly who you have always been, and letting you shine and be that person. So that is it for this video. And the next video, we're going to talk about the manifestation ritual that I did last year that stepped into all of the things that I was able to manifest this year, and how you too can do this exact same manifestation ritual. I look forward to sharing this with you. I cannot wait. Hugs, kisses, and all of the feels. Bye.